how to sound like E-123 Omega. First off, it's partially about the voice acting. Second off, it's partially about the effects. Omega usually has a sort of deepness to his voice, so make sure to reflect that in your acting, as well as keeping the voice a bit monotonous and kind of angry to a degree when thinking about Eggman or talking about him. So, here we go.
First off, the raw voice track should sound like this. Now, duplicate your voice track twice.
Warning! The next bit may vary depending on the pitch of your voice.
Add a 20% frequency pitch change on the top track.
Next, add a negative 20 frequency pitch change on the bottom track.
Lower the gain on the modulated voice tracks to negative 11.
Also lower the gain on the unedited voice track to negative 8. Mix and render all of the voice tracks you have thus far. Add a normalizer, then a limiter, and finally a noise gate. Adjust the gain of the track you now have accordingly. Make sure it's not too loud or too quiet. And now, if you acted the voice out properly, you should have a voice like Omega's.